Very good evening. This is Praveen Kumar from Zebu and Wealth Management Private Limited, and this session is about the post-closing of the market. So, how the market was closed, and whatever the details we have discussed in the morning session, whether support have taken or resistance have taken today. So, how the Nifty and Bank Nifty performance, and at last the options movement, how the opportunity out in option segment, whether if you are trading in options. So, that's the thing we are going to discuss in this session actually. And today morning we have told that it is like a bullish trend, but we can have a consolidated market in the morning itself. We have told the same thing was happened till if you see 17,599 went Nifty future. Morning we have seen that is 17,502 is yesterday's close, and today it was opened around 17,535, nearly 32 points of gap up opening, 33 points of gap up opening we have seen in the morning. From there the high made is around 17,599. So from 17,599 it gone dragged down to the level of 17,457 is the low. So morning what I have told is that market will be in a range bound from 17,480 till 17,580 to 600 can be a possible the consolidated and range bound market we can see. Likewise I have told the same thing was happened, I think. So the Bank Nifty future, if you ask, Bank Nifty future also we have told in the morning about the levels. If you see yesterday's close is around 40,380, and today it was opened around 40,500, nearly 120 points of gap up opening we have seen. After that it went up to the level of 40,668. So from 40,500 nearly 168 points of moved upward from 40,668, and the downward was formed around 40,245, nearly 400 points have gone down from the higher level we have seen. So whether this indication is this consultation is showing a bearish or bullish movement, if you ask me, no, it is it's like a retracement. That is whatever the 2 days or 3 days the market is performing to the lower level to the higher level, the profit booking little bit has happened, I think. So market till now it is in a bullish way. So whenever the global market is supporting today, that is US market is closing on a positive way. For example, I am saying if the US market, that is Nasdaq, is closing in a positive way, and the European markets are also closing in a positive way, and tomorrow Asian markets is giving a positive opening, in a sense our market can be a bullish towards 17,630 if possible. The more volume is happening, then that short covering may happen to the level of 17,700, also a possible level. This is my view I am sharing you. So because of this tomorrow weekly expiry is there, so we have to be cautious on the levels. So coming to the point of global market, if you see maximum of Asian markets are closed on a negative way, that is Straits Time are closed on 0.10% minus, and Hang Seng minus 2.38%, and Taiwan is around minus 1.13% likewise. But European market was opened on a flat positive, that is London market opened on 0.04%, and CAC is around 0.43, and Dow Jones opened on a minus negative opening we have seen Dow Jones. But if the global market supports in the evening and tomorrow morning, then our market to be a gap up opening further, because recently we had two gap up openings, that is on yesterday and today also the gap up opening we have seen. If possible tomorrow we can see a gap up opening, but my view is that if tomorrow the gap up opening we are seeing, but the market, that is global market, is not supported, means we can have the downward movement if the gap up opening, or else if we are having a gap down opening, means we can have a reverse movement to the bullish mode. I am expecting only, I am saying that. So the sector wise movement, if you see maximum of sector in a mixed only, Nifty Bank 0.14% positive closing we have seen, and Nifty Auto is 0.09% minus closing we have seen, and financial services around 0.40% positive, and Nifty Financial Services on 0.28% positive, and FMCG is 0.40% positive. And negative sectors what we are seeing is that Nifty IT minus 90% negative we are seeing, and Nifty Media minus 0.28%, and Nifty Metal is minus 0.67%, and other than that PSU banks are minus 58% likewise. So these are all the sector movements we are seeing. And top 5 gainers and top losers in Nifty stocks of today's movement, if you see, Nestle India has come up with a good quarterly result. So we had 2.13% positive movement, Nestle India's movement we had today, and ITC 2.03% positive, and HDFC 1.94% positive, Reliance 1.83%, and Axis Bank 1.81% positive. We are seeing in top gainers list, and top losers of top 5 losers of Nifty stocks, if you see for today's movement, JSW Steel is around minus 1.80%, and NTPC is around minus 1.65%, and Bajaj Finserv is minus 1.55%, SBI minus 1.55%, and Coal India minus 1.47% respectively. So these are the top gainers and top losers today. And any other news for today, if you ask me, yes, some of the news are there. Some of the news in the sense, HDFC AMC comes up with a good results. I think that is it was in the result beaten the year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter results also. And Syngene International quarter results have came as the good results. It's a positive results we have seen. And CG Power and Industrial Solution with come up with a negative results of quarterly results. And if you see about the Nestle India results are on good results, quarterly results we have seen, and also they are going to come up with a dividend of 120 rupees per share. They are coming up with that. And Ultratech Cements also come up with a good result, and Axelia Solutions, if you see, Axelia Solutions have given a big good quarterly results also. And DB Corp is on a poor result, that is negative results we are seeing. And KP Technologies also poor, that is negative results we are seeing. So some of the results are positive, but maximum of the results are coming up with a positive thing, and some of the results will be in a negative way. So I think this may not affect more in the market movement I am seeing. So coming up with that, I will be sharing my screen now for Nifty movement, how the Nifty movement has happened, whether the support have taken or whether the resistance have taken. We are going to discuss in this session. Yes. Now Nifty future chart I am sharing it's a 15 minutes candle. For your reference, I will be sharing today's movement only. Yes. Here you see here morning around 17,535 it's opening. I am showing you the 15 minutes candle. First 15 minutes candle's high is around 17,565. So second 15 minutes candle itself, it was broken the high towards the level of 17,573. Whatever we have discussed in the morning is that whenever the market, that is Nifty future, is breaking the second candle's high of Nifty, so that is 17,573 level or 575 level, then we can go long towards the level of 17,600 can be a possible level, I have told you, with the stop loss of 17,530. So here how the movement have happened, within 10:30 movement itself, it was broken to the level of 17,590 level, 99 level reached. It's a high level today. So, and also I have told, whenever the market is getting reverse and breaking the first candle's high, then we can go for short in the position of Nifty future, I have told. So if you see, 17,530 is the first candle's low. At the time of 12 o'clock, it was broken the first candle's low of 17,530 and gone down to the level of 17,457. So if you would have followed our research, that is our support and resistance level, what we have discussed in the morning, we would have an entry of 2 entries we can have. So both the 2 entries are on a positive closing we have seen. So this kind of opportunity there in market, so we have to enter into the correct trend. Whenever the trend happens, then only we can enter, or else we have to watch out the market to wait for the trend analysis. So this is a Nifty future we are seeing. And further, if you see about that resistance of 17,549 resistance was there, and other than that 17,597 resistance, that is 17,600 resistance is there. So 17,600 level was not sustained, so that only it gone down to the level of 17,457. So then it was closed above the support level of 17,490 and it is closed around 17,506. So this indicates little bit bullish only, not a bearish mode. So if the global market supports, our market can open minimum of 50 to 80 points gap up opening can happen tomorrow, or else we can have a minimum of gap down around 30 to 50 points of gap down opening if global market was not supported our market. Okay, then we can have a chart about Bank Nifty future movement. It's also a 15 minutes candle I am sharing you now, and tomorrow today's movement I am sharing you. Yes, this is our Bank Nifty future today's movement. If you see about Bank Nifty future compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty is very bearish today. That is, it's not strong compared with Nifty. Nifty moved very strong, but Bank Nifty is not that much strong, we are seeing. If you see about Bank Nifty future, the first candle's high is around 40,599. It was opened around 40,500 level. From 40,500 nearly 90.99 points have moved upward. In second candle itself, it was broken the first candle high towards 40,651. So whenever it was broken, then we can have a move towards a rally of 40,750, we are told. But after that second candle, we have a consolidated movement, and at the rate of 1030 level, it was broken the high towards 40,651 and went towards a level of 40,670, 668 only, nearly 18 points have moved upward. Then it gone downward. Even whenever the market is coming down to the level and it is breaking the first candle's low of 40,469, then you would have go for a short in the position Bank Nifty future, we have told. At the level of 1130 itself, it was broken the low towards 40,392 is the low. So after that, it made another low towards 40,245. So this kind of opportunity is there whenever we are following the candle based analysis also. And support and resistance, if you ask me, yes, whenever it was broken the support of 40,510 and it made low towards 40,364, another support, and it was broken to the level of 40,253 also. But 250 level was not sustained, so it take up a support and it went up to the level of another level 40,559 it made. So this kind of volatility we are seeing in Bank Nifty future, that is not stronger, it's like a bearish movement. Okay, compared with the Nifty and Bank Nifty, we are told, but if the bullish that is world market supports Bank Nifty, we can have a gap up opening towards 300 or 200 points positive if the global market supports our market for tomorrow. Or if the global market has not supported, we can have a gap down opening towards 150 to 200 points gap down opening for Bank Nifty future tomorrow. So this is my view only sharing. So if you want to trade with this level, you need to discuss with your investment advisor or your wealth managers. So don't enter blindly about our support and resistance, what we are discussing. And coming to the options part, so every day I am saying about options is we are having a good opportunity to earn likewise. So today we had two movements, that is first half we had a positive movement, that is bullish movement, and second half we had a negative movement, that is a bearish movement we have seen in Nifty future and also Bank Nifty future. So I will be showing you two movements, so that is of call option movement and put option movement, how the opportunity is that. So first we will discuss about Nifty 17,500 call option strike we are going to discuss now. So I am sharing you now the chart of Nifty 17,500 call option. For your reference, 15 minutes candle I am showing you, and today's movement we are watching it. So morning opening is around 105 is the opening, and 9:15 to 9:30 candle, and high made is around 110 and low made is around 88. So after that, the second candle is 113.95 is the high, second candle's high. So whenever it is broken, then it went up to the level of 135. So nearly from 115 to 135, nearly 20 points have moved upward from 115. So if you take at the lower level, even 88 to 90 also, nearly 45 points have moved from the lower level we are seeing. The investment would be nearly 4,500 to 5,000, that's it. So we can have a movement up to a 40% movement we can tap in morning itself. So if the option writer was very confident on the market not will be sustained at level of 17,600 level, then they would have short the market at 135 to 130. Then the low made is around, if you see, nearly 50, that is 49.75 is the low. So nearly 85 points have tapped. So if the option writers are very much confident on the market to be bullish, they can easily tap 85 points in Nifty 17,500 call option, I am saying. So even if you see about the Nifty 17,600 put option, how the buyers can tap and how the writers can tap, we are going to see now. Yes, this is Nifty 17,600 put option we are seeing in the morning. If you see, the opening is around 109.7. From there, the low made is around 70. So nearly 39 points only option writers can happen, that is can the opportunity to trap. But the buyers, if you see, the low is around 70. From the low, how much it went to the high is around 154. Nearly it got double the moment, more than the double. We have the opportunity in put option we are seeing, that is Nifty 17,600 put option. If you see, the lower level is at around 1030, it's around 70 is a lower level. So from there 154, the high made is around 245. So more than the double the opportunity we can tap if we are confident on the market to be bearish. So this kind of opportunity is there. Nearly 3,500 or 4,000 rupees is an investment. With that we can able to double our money also. But this opportunity will tap whenever we are following that trend. So we need to identify that trend, then only we need to enter it. So similarly, Bank Nifty call option also I will be sharing you 40,200 call option, but call option the writers will be tap the market for call option. We are seeing 15 minutes candle and today's movement. If you see, option writer are not confident, that he is very much confident on the market towards the bearish mode in the morning. The high made is around 490. From 490 level, the low made is around 223, nearly 270 points. If the option writer is confident on the market to be bearish, then the option writer can have the opportunity to tap 270 points in 40,200 call option Bank Nifty. So this kind of opportunity is there. And for put option buyers, 40,200 put option I am showing you now. 15 minutes candle and today's movement. Yes, if you see, morning 162 to 164 is the high at 9:15 to 9:30 candle, and the low made is around 74.75. Nearly 110 points have gone down. From 74.75, how much the high made, that is after 10:30 we are seeing towards the high level of 225. So nearly 140 to 150 points upward movement we are seeing in Bank Nifty 40,200 put. Our investment would be nearly 2,000, but here how much the profit, if you see, nearly 150 points we can tap the opportunity. So this kind of opportunity is there in options with the minimum of capital, but only thing we need to identify the trend, then we need to enter into the market. So for our trend analysis, you need to discuss with your investment advisor or wealth managers, or you can comment on a comment box. We will be reverting you on it, and this session will be useful for you, I think. So thank you for watching this session. Have a great day. Thank you.